Hey, Wero, I am just trying to attempt to show you how to create the new month. So here I have June's Go30. You just go back out and you duplicate it. Let's see, where do you do that? File, make a copy. We'll call it 2023. July. I don't know what this data protection thing is. So make a copy. And I'm not sure where it went here. Let's see if it created. Yeah, so there it is, June 30th. Alright, so I'm going to delete everybody out of this new sheet. It's in July, so delete all their names and delete all the data, not the bonus columns because those have formulas in them, but delete the data that doesn't have formulas. Okay, so then everything's fresh and new. So I'm going to type 7-1 here. And it should have changed everything. So I think there's 31 days. So insert column right. 7/31. Okay. And so that's fresh. Then we go to goals. It still has everybody there. So then what I do is I just delete out all the responses here. And you can just delete the rows if you want. Right click, delete rows. So now it's all clean. There's no goals, there's no teams, there's no nothing. So I just delete out the bonus. So it's really easy to just delete the rows again. Okay, so that's clean. So here's the key, is you go to the responses tab and you go to, where is it? Manage form, tools, manage form. Go to, or edit form. Okay, so you can see the name of this form says June 2023, but it's not really the June 2023 because it says copy of June 2023. So it's really, we're copying the form from June, so we just need to rename it July. Okay, July, and then we'll change it here in the title because this is a copy of the last form, but it's linked to the copy that we used for this sheet. So this should be everything. Should be working here. So I'm going to, I think it's just automatically saves. So let me see. So I'll preview it here as a user. Looks good. I'll just fill it out, see how it works. I'm currently participating. My name, do AO. Torque. I want to become, I'm just going to put stuff in to do it quickly. Go to office 5 days. I'll go in and change it later, but I'm just trying to go in here. 206 8500962. Okay, I'm going to skip that, submit. All right, so now look. So since that form was already, when I made the copy of the sheet and it copied the form, and we changed the sheet and the form for the copies, it's automatically tied to it now, so you don't have to do anything else. So now look, my goals are there. Now all I have to do, once whenever the deadline is, the cutoff, what you do is you go to goals by AO, and it'll have everybody listed, and the AOs will be alphabetical, and then everybody's F3 name within the AO will be alphabetical. And so then you can just copy everybody down here because they'll be grouped the right way. You just copy everybody that's there and you paste it into the tracker here, and that's it. That's how it will work. That's all you got to do. So anyway, it looks like there's a blank here, so I'll just delete that row. All right, I hope that helps.